Next, we'll add the flames for our candles so we can program them to light up as the character walks by. To do this, we'll add another sprite by clicking the plus icon on the left-hand side. Since we're drawing the flames, we'll select the paintbrush tool. Just like before, we'll use the circle shape, adjusting the thickness as needed. I'll pick an orange color for my flame. To create the shape, I'll drag my circle from the top down to make an oval, then fill it in with the paint bucket. After that, I'll select the arrow icon on the right-hand side. I'll pick up the shape and center it. Then I'll click on it to bring up the markers and adjust it to make it look more like a flame. Feel free to play around with it until you're satisfied with how it looks. Next, I'll add another circle inside the first one, but I'll change the color before filling it in with the paint bucket. Now my flame is complete. I'll click the check mark to finish and add my flame to the stage. I'll create a total of 4 flames, so I have the same number as the oil lamps, días, in my project.